Water as per required. A half cup tapioca. Cook on low flame until transparent. Water. Two mangoes. Two cups mango. 4 tablespoons sugar. 2 cups milk. Shake well. Ice cubes. Mango. Tapioca. Add prepared mango shake. Mix well.